want to do a quick video on how to create a macro to create any type of tracks in Pro Tools. So we're going to go in Keyboard Maestro, create a new macro to create one mono audio track. I'm going to create one new action, which is going to be type a keystroke. The keystroke is going to be Shift+Command+N, then duplicate type a keystroke and keystroke return. Now in the Stream Deck, create a track profile here, okay, and here we're gonna do a KM link, selecting the macro, create an audio track. Here, let's put it here, title, create, let's do audio mono. And now if I go in Pro Tools and I press this, creates a mono audio track. So now if we wanted to do a stereo track, the only thing you'd have to do is an extra keystroke, which is Control Command and the right arrow. And you can see that switches mono to stereo. So we're going to create a new macro in Keyboard Maestro. Here we can just duplicate the mono track, create a mono audio track. We're going to duplicate this macro. We're going to call this create one stereo audio track, and then we're going to duplicate this to have another keystroke, and we're going to press Control Command and right arrow, and that's going to create one stereo audio track. Let's go back to the Stream Deck. Here, let's move this here. Let's copy and paste this, the bottom one, and we're going to call it audio stereo. And the macro that's going to be selected is going to be create one stereo audio track, stereo. Okay, and now if we go here, press, now it's creating one stereo track. Now if you wanted to create a different type of track, like an aux track or an instrument track, the only thing you'd have to do to go through the type of track is press Control Command and down arrows, and depending how many times you press the down arrow, that's going to put you on the right kind of track you want to create. I already created the macro and the Stream Deck template for audio track, instrument tracks, a VCA and a master fader. If you're